Today, Pulse AI is exploring how can we open financial doors in the era of artificial intelligence. We get it. There's a ton of anxiety out there about AI and job loss. So instead of resisting, let's explore a "if you can't beat them, join them" approach. Here's the top 10 ways to ride the financial wave of the AI revolution. Number 10, AI artistry, where human creativity meets AI tech to produce stunning artworks. Using AI algorithms, artists and professionals push the boundaries of traditional art, crafting innovative pieces, from images to interactive installations. Number 9, AI art consultants offer expert guidance in navigating AI-influenced artworks. They stay updated on trends, provide strategic advice, and connect clients with AI artists and technologists, serving as curators with a deep understanding of both art and AI. Number 8, AI-enhanced graphic designer, merging traditional design skills with AI tools for advanced image manipulation, automated suggestions, and smoother workflows. These designers are all about fusing human creativity with the perks of AI to deliver visually stunning graphic designs. Number 7, AI-driven virtual reality artist. These creatives use AI to enhance virtual reality experiences, creating immersive and interactive content. By staying on top of AI and VR advancements, they're pushing the boundaries of what's possible at the intersection of technology and art. Number 6, art app developers. Craft applications that animate art, using AI to elevate user experiences through personalized recommendations, content generation, and interactive features. They remain at the forefront of both artistic trends and technological advancements. Number 5, AI art restorer. These experts use AI to restore and conserve art, blending technology with traditional restoration methods to breathe new life into masterpieces. Number 4, AI art entrepreneurs. Explore, identify, and launch ventures in the AI art market, selling AI-generated art, developing unique AI products, or offering services. They skillfully navigate the intersection of technology and creativity. Number 3, AI art educator. These individuals specialize in educating others about the intersection of AI and art, fostering a deeper appreciation for the evolving landscape of technology-driven art. Number 2, content generation and optimization using AI. Professionals in this field leverage AI tools to create, refine, and enhance digital content. Their goal is to produce compelling and effective content that aligns with user preferences and search engine requirements. Number 1, AI chatbot architect. These professionals design and build the architecture of AI chatbots, creating intelligent and user-friendly conversational interfaces. The aim is to design chatbots that provide efficient and contextually relevant interactions with users. There you have it. Please let us know what your top pick is, and if you're considering AI to make wealth. If you enjoyed this video, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more AI adventures.